What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Carter and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell notification icon so you get alerted each and every time I make an upload. And if you guys want to check me out off of YouTube, you can follow me over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter. That's at I'm Will Carter. It's spelled exactly how it's pronounced. Today we are going to be doing a really fun video because I love opening boxes. Oh, I just gave it away. All right, bitch. All right. I am doing an unboxing. Damn, why is the box so fucking big? We are doing an this is really big. We are doing an unboxing video for a brand new pair of shoes that I just purchased from Buscemi. Unfortunately, I had to order these shoes online because unfortunately Buscemi does not have a boutique here in New York anymore, which is so unfortunate because, you know, they used to have a boutique down in Soho and they closed down before the pandemic happened and they just never came back. I don't know where the fuck they went. Okay, so let's just open her up because I have been waiting for these bitches. Part of like the fun of shopping at the designer stores is, you know, you get the really pretty bag, you get like, you know, like a little card and stuff. I mean, you remember my, you know, think about like my Christian Louboutin like unboxing video and like how special that was. You know, they really like put a lot of like detail into like packing up like your like shoes and stuff. And in this case, it's like, you know, what do they put in these shoe boxes when it's like, I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below to the exact pair of shoes that I purchased from Buscemi so you guys know the exact ones that I got. I got the 100mm white. That's what they call it. There's no other fancy name. It's just 100mm. So there's nothing special in the box other than this is interesting packaging. I should like look into this for Queens of Garden because we are working on the winter collection, bitch. And this is the shoe box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just start with the shoe box. The shoe box is stunning. So if I'm gonna compare this to my Christian Louboutin shoe box in terms of like how the box feels, the texture feels gorgeous. It doesn't feel like cardboard. So I still have the Louboutin shoe box, and as you can see, to me, it doesn't have any texture on it. It definitely feels like a printed texture because it kind of looks like a little texture, but it doesn't feel textured at all. Buscemi's actually is this really interesting, really cool textured shoe box. And of course, this is just like their signature with the feather. You know, that's like their signature. Buscemi is known for like two signatures. I think, and this is just based on what I see, they're known for like that signature feather, and they're also known for the lock that they tend to put on their shoes and like keychains and different things. So they're known for like the feather and the lock. So now let's open these daughters up, baby. I cannot wait to open her, bitch. Okay, so upon opening up, it's just nothing in it so far. I think the Louboutins had more going on, like it was like, when I first opened the box, there's a lot of stuff in it, but again, I went in the store. So it's a different, like, you know, a different level, different, you know, attention to detail. Okay, so just like with the Louboutins, the shoes they do come wrapped in the individual shoe bags. So this is how the shoe comes packaged inside. And they have these guards here. I mean, they do a really good job, like, protecting the shoes. So let's take the shoes out. Okay, I'm even touching the shoe and it's definitely my size, so no big deal. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Okay, so this is the shoe. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's just go over how they package it. This is really well packed. They have the foam pieces here, you know, to protect, you know, the metal pieces here because, you know, this is an $890 shoe. You know, this is not cheap shit. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the lock, right? This is the lock here. So they're notorious for their locks. They love a lock. So this actually is, I thought that this was like fake. But this is oh bitch, this is a real lock. And then of course on the back, which is probably my favorite part, is the lock. Now the lock it's supposed to really go here. That's how the shoes are advertised on the website. They have the shoe lock here. And I don't know how I'm supposed to get this lock off here. Like, is there a key? Where's the key? Is there supposed to be a key in here somewhere? Where the fuck is the key? Okay, still no key. Definitely gotta be a key. Bitch, I'm still looking for this key. Like, how the fuck do I get this lock off the back of this shoe? I'ma find out, bitch. Hold on. Bitch, hold up. First of all, this took me fucking forever to figure this out, but I found the key. Cause I was like, where the fuck is the key? Okay, I found the key. So the key is actually in this little flap here. And I was like, where the fuck is the key? Okay, this is the key. It's in here. Okay, that's really cute. So the key was in this little thing here. This is the key. Damn, you know what? I need a pair of this lock. All right, so I have it open, right? And definitely gonna keep the key on standby. There. This is how the shoe is supposed to be worn. It's supposed to have the lock here on the front of the shoe. I'm definitely putting the key back on the shoe. I mean, I want it to stay there. There you guys have it. These are the Buscemi shoes. I'm gonna get the key and change the lock on this one. But this is just so you guys can see, because maybe you don't even really want the lock there. Maybe you don't want the lock there at all. But oh, this is backwards, bitch. These are the shoes. I am so obsessed. You know, I have a major love for like designer shoes. I'm probably gonna go Fendi next. We'll see. I'll decide what we're gonna do. But I love these so much. I hope they fit me, because I did get a smaller size than my Louboutins, because the Louboutins I think are a teensy bit slightly too big. Nothing is not wearable because he's been wearing them. But I did get a slightly teensy bit smaller of a size, half of a size smaller, just because I personally just like my shoes to be a little bit more snug. But just by looking at the shoe, I'm like, no, bitch, this is gonna fit. Anyway, now that we're here at the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and turning that bell notification icon on. Also, go follow me over on my Instagram page at I'm Will Carter for all things my life as Will Carter. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful good morning, a beautiful good afternoon, and a beautiful good night, whichever part of the world you are living in. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video, because I gotta go. I gotta go try on my shoes, all right? So